Hey guys, it's Maya, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this super cute fireworks design on your nails. So you are going to want to start out with a clear base coat on all of your nails. Next, add 2 coats of a black polish on all of your nails. Next, using a thin nail art striper dipped in white polish, you just want to add a bunch of lines curving at the end, kind of forming a circle-ish shape to be the firework. Next, with that same striper dipped in whatever color polish you want, you just want to go over all those white lines you created. Next, with that same striper or a dotting tool, I just added a little bit of glitter in the middle of the firework. Finally, add a clear top coat and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As usual, comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure to comment down below any nail art ideas you have for me. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram at nailsby_Maya. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you. Bye!